Hi, my name is Olivia, and today we thought we could do a series on recipes that are 500 calories and under. So a series of sort of weight loss recipes or recipes for those of us and those of you who are looking to manage your weight. So 5 different recipes. Today we'll be cooking this one, the first one, which is the chicken in creamy garlic and mushroom sauce with cauliflower and broccoli. And the other recipes, you can find the recipe cards for them on the description below. Let's get started. So step number 1 for this recipe is to clean and slice the mushrooms. I'll use a kitchen paper just to rub off a little bit of the dirt and mud from the mushrooms, otherwise the mushrooms are really clean. And then I will also make sure I'll mince my garlic. So for step number 2, we'll need our frying pan and oil. We'll start by frying quickly the chicken breasts, just a couple of minutes per side to get a nice brown color on them. We'll remove them from the pan and add the mushrooms on the pan. The mushrooms need to be fried for 7 to 8 minutes. You can add a bit of oil here if you feel like they're burning too quickly. And towards the end of that, you add in the garlic and give them a good stir. So for step number 3, we'll add the chicken breast back onto the pan, and then we'll add the cream, a bit of water, the stock cube, and a good amount of salt and pepper. We'll let the chicken and the mushrooms and the sauce simmer together for about 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce has thickened and the chicken is fully cooked through. So step number 4, while your sauce is simmering, we'll cut the cauliflower and broccoli into small florets. Here we'll either boil them or steam them, so you choose which method you prefer. I'll steam my vegetables, so I'm going to use this thin silicone steamer that I put at the bottom of my pot. For steaming, these vegetables will take about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the size that you've cut them into. And if you're boiling them, 5-6 minutes will be enough. Then we remove the water, rinse them quickly and season with salt slightly. So step number 5 is our last step. Here all we need to do is grate the Parmesan and add it into the creamy mushroom sauce. This will add a little bit of thickness and plenty of flavor. And then all that's left is to plate and for you to enjoy. Bon appetit! So that's how easy it is to cook delicious home-cooked food for 500 calories and under to support your weight loss and your weight management. Before I tackle this one, I want to remind you that check out the other recipes that are in this series of 500 calories and under. They're in the description below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more. Now let's try. That is good.